Jha and I welcome you to Gradeup. There's a big news. There is big news. A very big news. How are you? How are you doing? I'm Vijay Kalyan Jha and I welcome you to Gradeup's YouTube channel. Alright? How are you doing? The big news is that NLAT 2020 has been scrapped. Okay? The Honorable Supreme Court came out with its verdict at 10:32 and they have said that NLAT, okay, has been set aside. NLAT has been scrapped. Alright, so now you have to look at NLAT as a tool, okay, which give you a good practice before NLAT and CLAT. That is it. That is it. The CLAT would be scheduled in time. CLAT will take place on 28th of this month. Okay, and the admission in NLS Bangalore will also be through CLAT only. The big news is that NLAT 2020 has been scrapped, alright, by the Honorable Supreme Court at 10:32 a.m. today, alright, and the admission in NLSIU Bangalore will take place on the basis of your score in CLAT. Absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT, absolutely no change. CLAT will take place on September 28th and the entire admission has to be finalized by mid-October. This is all that the Honorable Court has said. I'm saying, I will repeat it, that NLAT 2020 has been scrapped. It has been set aside. Alright? You have to look at your NLAT experience as a practice test, okay, for CLAT as well as NLAT. Okay, absolutely no NLAT now. Okay, you have to utilize all the 4 papers which they released for UG plus 2 paper which they released for PG, okay, as a good practice content. Alright, and my opinion on this is that they actually helped you. They actually helped you. Okay, most of you are better prepared for CLAT now. So as it stands now, NLAT 2020 has been scrapped. I have 2 or 3 more things to say. Alright, 2 or 3 more things to say. And all these things are of great significance to you. NLAT has been scrapped. Admission in NLS Bangalore will take place on the basis of your CLAT score. Okay, CLAT 2020 score. Absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT. CLAT will take place, okay, as you know, on September 28 in between 2 and 4 p.m. Alright, and now, NLS Vice Chancellor Professor Sudhir will be restored as Secretary CLAT. Okay, NLSIU Bangalore will be back to CLAT consortium. Okay, and Mr. Professor Sudhir, okay, will be restored as Secretary CLAT. And the CLAT Permanent Secretariat will remain at NLSIU Bangalore. Okay, CLAT to be conducted as scheduled and admission to be completed by mid-October. Please keep that in mind. Please keep that in mind. Any question here? So NLAT stands scrapped. It has been set aside by the Honorable Supreme Court at 10:32 in the morning today. Alright? And I'm sure we are the first people to let you know about this. Okay? So do not get distracted much. Of course, utilize all the 6 papers. All the 6 papers. Okay? Which was released by NLAT. Which was released by NLSIU. Okay, 4 papers for the UG and 2 papers for the PG. So in all you have got 16 plus 6, 22 passages. All those passages should be read by you before you appear for your NLAT or CLAT this year, especially CLAT this year. Okay, NLSIU Bangalore is back to CLAT consortium. Alright, and CLAT Secretary Professor Sudhir would be reinstated as CLAT Secretary. CLAT Secretariat will remain there at NLSIU Bangalore. Alright? Alright? Any question here, anyone? Any question here? Okay? So you have to utilize NLAT as a good experience which helped you prepare better for CLAT. That is all that I have to say. That is all that I have to say. Okay? So 3 things. One by one. 3 things. And what are these 3 things? The 3 things are that NLAT 2020 scrapped. Okay, no result of NLAT 2020 will come. It has been scrapped. Over. Okay. they had released a total of 22 passages, 16 passages for CLAT UG and 6 passages for CLAT PG. All these 22 passages should be used by you to good effect in order to prepare for your CLAT. Alright, NLAT 2020 has been scrapped. Okay, and the admission to NLSIU Bangalore will take place on the basis of your CLAT score. Absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT. Absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT. CLAT will take place on September 28 in between 2 and 4 p.m. Alright, and in fact, CLAT Consortium has issued a new set of guidelines, okay, and annexer to the admission ticket which was given to you, and in fact it was issued yesterday itself. I'm sure our community people are going to share that with you. Okay, so NLAT 2020 scrapped, NLAT 2020, okay, is scrapped. It has been decided by the Honorable Supreme Court at 10:32 in the morning. Okay, and the admission in NLSIU Bangalore will happen on the basis of your CLAT score. Absolutely no change. Absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT. It will take place on September 28 in between 2 to 4 p.m. Alright? Okay? And Professor Sudhir, the Vice Chancellor of NLSIU, okay, will be reinstated as Secretary CLAT. Okay? And the Secretariat for CLAT Consortium, okay, will continue to be at NLSIU Bangalore. Alright? And the entire admission process has to be conducted. The entire admission process for all the NLUs, including NLS Bangalore, has to be completed by mid-October. Has to be completed by mid-October. And here, I would want to talk about this wonderful subscription, Gradeup Super as well. What do you get from Gradeup Super? You get unlimited access to structured live courses. The way I'm live to you today in time, and I'm sure it's helpful for you. Okay, Gradeup teachers, many of whom are from NLUs and many others who have cleared CLAT multiple times. Okay, they guide you here. This is the best platform for you. We give you full syllabus coverage, complete doubt resolution. Faculty members are expert with good experience of CLAT, and the period of subscription can be 24 months, 12 months, and a month. I'm sure you're aware of this also, that NLAT 2020 was held on 12th and 14th of September, conducted in 4 batches. That is NLAT UG. Overall level was from moderate to difficult. Mode of the examination was home proctored computer-based test. Alright. Now, this is how the structure of the paper was, and this was the marking scheme. But anyway, that is irrelevant now. That is irrelevant now. The only one fact is relevant. That is NLAT 2020 has been scrapped. It has been set aside by the Honorable Supreme Court, and your admission in NLSIU Bangalore this year, okay, will take place on the basis of your CLAT 2020 score. Absolutely no change. Absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT 2020. CLAT will take place on September 28 in between 2 and 4 p.m. So please stay focused. Please stay focused on CLAT and ALAT. ALAT is on 26th of September. CLAT is on September 28. Okay. Now, any debate whether this decision of the Honorable Supreme Court is good, bad, or whatever, okay, doesn't actually matter. It's over. It's over. Alright? Alright? In my opinion, the best decision has been taken. In Gradeup's opinion, the best decision has been taken. Alright? But it's over. NLAT 2020 has been scrapped, has been set aside. Okay? Alright? And your admission in NLS Bangalore this year will take place on the basis of your CLAT 2020 score. Absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT 2020. It will take place on September 28 in between 2 and 4 p.m. Kindly report at the center in time. Alright? And please keep visiting your CLAT Consortium website very regularly. Very regularly. Okay? So we wish you all the best. It's a very good move. We wish you all the best for your ALAT as well as CLAT. Okay, these are the ongoing courses on our app. CLAT 2021, a comprehensive course. CLAT 2020, a 25-day revision course. Whatever part, okay, you have not been able to attend in live manner, okay, will be available to you. The past classes will also be available to you in recorded form. Alright, and these are the available free series, that is ALAT revision series for 10 days, okay, and syllogism. Get your basics right. Those are extremely relevant to you, okay. What else? And who are the teachers? Savitri, Sanojam, Naveen Iyer, Ashutosh Gupta, Ankit Sharma, Pranab Pan, and these 4 people from NLU: Shorojit Bhaduri, Shantanu Jha, Debajyoti Das, and Prashant Pandey. Okay, and again, 3 very important things for you. NLAT 2020 has been scrapped. It was decided by the Honorable Supreme Court at 10:32 in the morning today. All right, or they came out with a verdict at 10:32 in the morning. Okay, your admission to NLS Bangalore will take place on the basis of your CLAT 2020 score. Okay, absolutely no change in the schedule of CLAT. Absolutely no change. Okay, the CLAT will take place on September 28 in between 2 and 4 p.m. Okay, and the admission to all these NLUs, including NLS Bangalore, okay, will be completed by mid-October. On that note, okay, I wish all of you all the very best. Okay, all the very best. Prep smart, score better, go grade up. Thank you.